Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow wealth over time. Yet, many people believe they need large amounts of money to begin investing. In reality, you can start building your investment portfolio with just $100 or less, especially in 2025 when technology and financial tools have made investing more accessible than ever. In this video, we'll explore various investment options for beginners looking to start investing with a modest amount, such as $100 or less, and how to make your money work for you. Whether you're a college student, a working professional, or someone looking to diversify your financial strategy, this guide will give you the insights to kick-start your investing journey. Before you invest, it's important to establish your financial goals. Ask yourself, are you investing for short-term gains, like saving for a vacation or a car? Or are you aiming for long-term growth, like retirement or buying a house? Your goals will help you decide what types of investments align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. For example, if you need quick access to cash, a low-risk investment might be best. However, if you're thinking about long-term growth, you might be open to taking on a bit more risk. Before you dive into investing, ensure that you have your financial house in order. That means paying off high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt or payday loans, it's a good idea to prioritize paying those off before investing. Building an emergency fund. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in a liquid account, like a savings account, can give you peace of mind. With a solid foundation, you're in a better position to invest without worrying about needing quick access to cash. In the past, brokerage accounts typically came with high fees and minimum deposit requirements. However, in 2025, many brokers offer commission-free trades and no minimum balance requirements. This makes it easier than ever for beginners to get started. Here are some popular platforms where you can start investing with $100 or less. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to build and manage your portfolio. They are perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach to investing. Robo-advisors typically have low or no minimum deposit requirements and charge small management fees. Some top robo-advisors in 2025 include Betterment, no minimum deposit and low management fees. It builds a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Wealthfront offers automated investing with a minimum deposit of $500, but you can start with smaller amounts in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs. For a more hands-on approach, you can open an online brokerage account with platforms like Robinhood. Known for zero-commission trading, Robinhood allows you to buy stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies with no account minimum. Fidelity offers a range of investment options, including ETFs and mutual funds, with no minimum deposit and commission-free trades. Charles Schwab offers commission-free trades and a wide selection of investment options, including fractional shares. These platforms allow you to start investing with as little as $1, making them ideal for those with $100 or less to invest. One of the most revolutionary tools in investing today is fractional shares. With fractional shares, you don't need to buy an entire share of a company, just a portion of it. This is especially beneficial for high-priced stocks like Amazon, Google, or Tesla, which might cost hundreds or thousands of dollars per share. For example, if Amazon stock costs $3,000 per share and you only have $100, you can still invest in Amazon by purchasing 1/30th of a share. Several brokers, including Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab, offer fractional shares, making it easier to diversify your portfolio with a small amount of money. ETFs are a great way to invest in a broad range of stocks, bonds, or other assets, allowing you to diversify your investments without needing a large amount of capital. They are often less risky than individual stocks because they contain multiple assets within a single fund. For example, if you want to invest in the overall market, you might buy a S&P 500 ETF, which tracks the performance of the 500 largest U.S. companies. ETFs are available through most brokerage platforms and can be purchased for as little as the cost of one share, which can range from $20 to $300 or more. Some popular ETFs for beginners include Spider S&P 500 ETF, or SPY, tracks the S&P 500, offering exposure to a broad section of the U.S. economy. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI, offers exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, including small, medium, and large companies. Investing with $100 or less, a beginner's guide to building wealth in 2025. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF or EM provides exposure to emerging markets, allowing you to diversify internationally. For those who are risk-averse and want a safer option for their $100, high-yield savings accounts are a great alternative. While the returns are lower than what you might get from stocks or ETFs, your money is safe and it earns interest. In 2025, many online banks offer high-yield savings accounts with interest rates above 3%, which is much higher than traditional savings accounts. Some popular high-yield savings accounts include Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, Synchrony Bank. Though the returns won't make you wealthy, they're a safe, low-risk way to grow your money over time while still keeping your funds easily accessible. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P, allows you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This is a relatively high-risk investment, but can offer higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to invest in loans for as little as $25 per loan. However, it's important to understand that not all borrowers will pay back their loans, so you need to be prepared for potential losses. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become popular investments in recent years, and many platforms now allow you to start investing with as little as $1. Cryptos are highly volatile, meaning they come with a significant risk, but they can offer the potential for high returns. For beginners, consider starting with platforms like Coinbase, offers fractional purchases of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Binance, another popular exchange with a wide range of cryptocurrencies and low fees. If you choose to invest in cryptocurrency, only allocate a small portion of your portfolio, for example, $10 to $20, due to the high-risk nature of these assets. If you have a small amount to invest, dollar-cost averaging, DCA, can be an effective strategy. With DCA, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, for example, $20 per month, regardless of market conditions. This strategy helps smooth out the ups and downs of the market, reducing the risk of making a large investment right before a market downturn. By consistently contributing to your investment portfolio, you gradually build wealth over time, even with small amounts. Investing with $100 or less is an excellent way to get started, but it's crucial to continue learning as you go. Read books, follow finance blogs, and watch educational content on YouTube to deepen your knowledge. Understanding the basics of investing, risk management, and financial planning will help you make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Starting to invest with just $100 or less is not only possible, but also a great way to build long-term wealth in 2025. By taking advantage of modern brokerage platforms, robo-advisors, fractional shares, ETFs, and other low-cost investment options, you can begin your investment journey with minimal risk and a strong foundation. Whether you're saving for retirement, a big purchase, or simply looking to grow your wealth, every dollar invested today can help you achieve your financial goals tomorrow. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and continue learning as you go. Happy investing! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to start investing with a small amount of money?